Today topic projectile motion in plane. So projectile motion. So projectile motion nothing but a body projected into the air making an angle. What is that? Theta with the horizontal, that is other than 90 degrees. Okay, with the x-axis or nearer to the surface of the earth. It is called as, what is it? Projectile motion. So this is projectile motion. A body it is projected into the air making an angle theta with this horizontal direction, right? So here u is the initial velocity, theta is the angle of projection. Here maximum displacement covered by the body is called, what is it? Range. The vertical displacement covered by the body is height, maximum height. So here the velocity can be broken up into two mutually perpendicular components. Horizontal velocity component u cos theta, vertical velocity component is u sin theta. These are the components, right? So here velocity in horizontal direction, velocity components in horizontal direction, that is ux initial velocity, u cos theta. Vertical direction, that is uy is equal u sin theta. Next, in horizontal direction the velocity remains constant at anywhere, but in vertical direction the velocity gradually changes. As we go to height, the velocity decrease. At highest point velocity becomes 0 and velocity become increase, go to down, right? So here the in horizontal direction velocity remains constant, so that's why acceleration is 0. acceleration components acceleration components in horizontal direction. Here velocity ux, that is equal to vx, means horizontal velocity remains constant, so that's why acceleration is 0. In vertical direction the velocity changes. Okay, ux is not equal to vx, so that's why, what is that? Acceleration is ay is equal to plus g at any point, right? So these are the components. Next, displacement components. Displacement, for example, okay, a particle reaches to point P in its path after t seconds. Okay, so here this is point. Next, this point coordinates are x comma y, right? So horizontal displacement covered is x and vertical displacement covered is, what is it? Y. Now the velocity at this point is v. Components are vx, next vy, right? So the horizontal displacement covered is equal to horizontal displacement, horizontal direction displacement. Okay, displacement, that is xx is equal to horizontal velocity, that is u cos theta into time taken is t, right? In vertical direction the displacement sy it is equal to here u sin theta into t minus half into gt square. Okay, so these are, what are the displacement components along x direction, along y direction. So here, and velocity components after t seconds also we will measure. So velocity components after t seconds, velocity components after t seconds, displacements component after t seconds, right? Velocity components are, what are they? Here Vx in horizontal direction, Vx is equal to Ux, that is equal to u cos of theta, and Vy is equal to u sin theta minus of, what is that, gt. From equation V is equal to u minus of at. Okay, A is acceleration, right? G, A is equal to minus g, right? U is equal to u sin theta. Then you will get that components. So here initial velocity, that is u bar is equal to ux I cap plus uy j cap. Next, and displacement vector, that is equal to sx I cap plus sy of j cap. This is displacement. And final velocity vector, that is equal to vx I cap plus vy of j cap. Direction, tan of theta is equal to, here tan of theta, that is equal to opposite side by adjacent side, that is vy divided by vx. Yes, this is direction. Vy is equal to, what is it, u sin theta minus of gt, u sin theta minus of gt divided by u cos theta. Okay, so this is direction of this resultant. In projectile motion, when body it is projected into this air, making an angle theta with this horizontal, then nearer to the surface of the earth, it, so the path followed by this projected body, it is, what is that, parabola. So this is parabola. Now the vertical displacement covered is called, what is that, height. The horizontal displacement covered is called as range. Okay, then the projectile motion parabolic equation is y is equal to, what is that, here a x minus of b x square. A is equal to u cos theta. Next, b is equal to g by 2 u square cos square of, what is it, theta. Okay. The projectile equation is parabolic equation, y is equal to ax minus of bx square. A is, what is that, constant, that is tan theta. Next, b is equal to g by 2 u square cos square of theta, right? Then, for example, if parabolic expression is given in like this, right, what are the range? And range is equal to a by b equation, and height is equal to a square divided by 4b. Okay, then from this h is equal to here 1 by 4 into a by 4 into a by b. So therefore h is equal to a by 4 into r. one more relation between H and R. Next, so here for example expressions, horizontal displacement is equal to x is equal to a x, this is horizontal displacement, ax horizontal displacement, vertical displacement sy is equal to ax square, this is ax, this is bx minus of ct square. Yes,